Hello and welcome back to the FTC 18172 Uplift Robotics YouTube channel. This is the second video in the series of how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Today we're going to be doing the middle layer of a Rubik's Cube. Look in my previous video to see the top layer and also how I refer to the cube, how I refer to the top, how I refer to the bottom, whatever. So look at that first video if you want to have the full tutorial, but let me just scramble this real quick. Alright, so I scrambled it so that I have the first layer solved because I already taught how to solve the first layer. And all we're gonna have to do is these side parts right here. So this is the first algorithm that you have to use for my method of solving a Rubik's Cube, the layer by layer. And there's two variations of this method, one to the left, one to the right. And what you're going to want to do is look for pieces that don't have yellow on them. So this blue and orange, this is one, green and red, red and blue, and then red, orange and green. Sorry, this was already in place. Yeah, so these are the pieces that you're going to want to look for because these are the four that always go in these spots. Now, to get it in the correct place, what you're going to want to do is match. See, look for some on the bottom because that's the easiest on the yellow side. What you're going to want to do is match it with the color that's facing toward you. So orange to orange, that's the easiest way. And I want to put this up here. So what I'm going to want to do is put it over to the right. Bring this left side down, bring this bottom side over, bring this back up, and then turn the cube, and then push this over to the left, bring this down, and push this back over to the right. And you'll see it's in its correct orientation. Now you're gonna want to keep doing this. See this red and green? I'm also gonna want to move this to the left, so I'll show you the same move again. Left, down, left, up, turn the cube, over, down, back over, up. Now, you can see all of these are in this correct position except for this piece right here. What you're going to want to do for this piece is replace it with any piece. It doesn't really matter. You're just trying to get this out so you can flip it back to its correct position. So just do that move again. And you'll see right here, you can put it back. Now I got lucky, I guess, or unlucky. Every piece was to the left, but next, here, I'll just show you real quick. Left, over here. I'll show you how to put a piece to the right. Okay, so to put a piece to the right side, whenever you have to match it, you need to do the same thing but inverted, which is kind of hard, but you'll get used to it. And just remember these algorithms. So it's the same thing, just inverted. So it's going to be left, down, right, up, switch over, down, left, up. So there you go. What I would recommend is just keep watching this video for the respective placements and keep doing them in both the regular and inverted ways until you memorize how to do them. Next, I'm just going to show you a real-time solve of these edges. Thank you for watching. Next week I will show how to solve these bottom four corners and then the week after I will show these edges.